And you see my mixer's a jumping. Doug fixed that for me. Hello everyone, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to bring you another Christmas treat, coconut balls. You're going to need 2 cups of coconut flakes, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 2 cups of powdered sugar, some milk chocolate chips or whatever chocolate you want, and I'm going to use coconut to make it dippable. In a mixer, you'll want to add your coconut, your sweetened condensed milk, your powdered sugar a little bit at a time, and your vanilla. Now you'll take your mixture and roll them into bite-sized portions. When you've got them all rolled, put them in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to chill. While those are chilling, you'll need to melt your chocolate. I put about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in and to the bag of chocolate. Put it in the microwave for 30-second intervals and stirred. And I didn't put it back in until I stirred so your chocolate don't burn. After they've chilled for 30 minutes, we're going to dip them in chocolate. I take a fork so I can get out off the excess chocolate. Put them on a baking sheet with some parchment paper or a plate, whatever you like. And then we're going to put these back in the refrigerator and let them chill till they're set up. Then they're ready to eat. Here they are out of the fridge. I also made some with white chocolate. Here they are all plated up, and these are delicious. I hope you give them a try. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.
snow is falling soft and light. The fire's burning warm and bright. The goats are tucked inside the barn, protected safe from winter's harm. The time we take to share it all with folks like you, and everything we love to do. So thank you for watching, thank you for listening. From the Holmans Homestead, where the Christmas lights are glistening, we appreciate every like and every share. We wish you joy and peace and hope beyond compare. From garden rows to kitchen stoves, and all the paths the tractor rows, you tune in daily, week by week, for every lesson that we speak. May your holiday be sweet and slow, wrapped up in ribbons, tied with a bow. Remembering all the blessings found when Christmas cheer is all around. So thank you for watching, thank you for listening. From the Holmans Homestead, where the Christmas lights are glistening, we appreciate every like and every share. We wish you joy and peace and hope beyond compare. Merry Christmas to you, and a Happy New Year too, from all of us here at Holmans Homestead. God bless you.